Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a little makeup tutorial. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do, but I was like, you know what, I want to film a video, have no idea what I'm going to do, but I think I'm just going to jump straight into it. I think I might do a voiceover because I just like want to really focus on it and not try and focus on talking to the camera more than doing it. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, I reckon I'm just going to get straight into it. So yeah, and if I keep on looking up there, it's because I'm watching Friends.
So first off, I'm putting the Glam Glow Waterburst Foundation all over my face. Next, I'm getting the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in chocolate and just doing my eyebrows as usual.
I usually sort out my makeup before I bring it in here and kind of figure out what makeup I want to use, but I didn't today, and I wish I did, but I can't be bothered leaving my room until this is done. So sorry if this is an amazing job, but I can't be bothered moving because I'm lazy.
So now I'm getting the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced and carving out my brows and making a base for the lid. I'm not 100% sure what shade it is in, but I'll leave it down below. Next, I'm getting the Kat Von D Lock-It translucent powder and setting those lids. Now I'm getting the Morphe 3502 palette and just grabbing that transition shade that I will show in a moment and popping that throughout the crease. Now I'm just getting this like pinky brownie mauve colour and putting that where I put the transition shade just because I wanted it to be a little bit darker. Now I'm getting a darker version of the colour that I just used before and popping that straight under where I did the transition shade and of course blending it out. Now I'm getting this bright orange shade and I'm putting it just above the colour I did before just because I wanted it to be a bit more orange and like red and browny more than pink. And now I'm grabbing a rich round shade and popping it throughout the outer V and slowly bringing it throughout the crease. And then I'm grabbing that mauve colour I used for the transition at the start and a burnt orange shade and mixing those together and blending out that brown I put on before. Now I'm grabbing a darker brown and I'm just putting it where I put the last brown and a little bit more on the lid just because I want it to be a little bit more darker. And then I am blending out that dark brown with the dark brown that I used before, if that makes any sense. Now I'm grabbing the darkest brown I've used so far and putting that kind of in my crease in like my inner half. I don't know how to explain it, just because when I cut the crease, I want that to be where the crease is cut. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah. And now cutting my crease with the Born This Way concealer. Now I'm getting the Napoleon Curtis Loose Dust in Mystique, I'm pretty sure it is. It's a beautiful like bronzy gold shade, and just putting that where I cut the crease. Then I'm blending out the pigment with the darkest brown I used and that bright orange shade as well, just so it blends seamlessly with the rest of the eyeshadow. Now using the NARS Natural Radiance Foundation and putting that all over my face. How devastating is that? Can't believe it happened, and the foundation was in my hair for the rest of the day, which was pretty sad. I have no idea what shade it's in, but I'll leave it down below as well. Now using the Born This Way concealer yet again and just concealing my under eyes. So just using the translucent powder I used at the start to bake, and then I'm using the Australis Fresh and Flawless powder to set the rest of my face. Now going in with the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit to contour and bronze. Now using the NARS blush in Bumpy Ride and putting that on the apples of my cheeks and bringing it into my bronzer. Now using the Marc Jacobs Omega Illuminator in Guilty. It's literally my favourite highlight ever. It's so beautiful. Now I am doing my lower lash line, and I'm just getting the darkest brown I used and that orange shade and blending it out so it's nice and smoky. Then getting the NYX retractable eyeliner in brown and just popping that in my waterline. Now going in with the Kimco lashes in the style the tameikah lashes. Yes, I'm vain. But they're so pretty, so. Now using a rimmel lip liner and just lining my lips. Now using this NYX Butter Gloss. I'm not 100% sure what shade it's in, but I'll put it down below. And this is the final look. Don't mind me posing like an idiot, it's embarrassing. Anyways, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Anyway, thank you for watching, bye!